Welcome to all my dear aspirant to Defense Info, a one-step platform for all your defense need. Do like, share and subscribe before we begin.
Hello all, welcome to a new episode of Defense Info. Today we will discuss about Mirage 2000. So let us begin, friends. It's a French aircraft manufactured by Dassault Aviation. It was first commissioned in Indian Air Force arsenal in 1985. Total 40 aircraft with 36 single and 4 double-seater were commissioned into Indian Air Force. 10 more Mirage 2000 were inducted in 2004, and in 2011 the Mirage 2000 were upgraded to Mirage 2005 standard, and the modernization was intended to increase the lifespan of the Mirage 2000 by 20 to 25 years. As we know guys, this Mirage 2000 is a single engine multi-role fighter aircraft. It is agile, delta wing structure and having a high alpha performance, which means it have a high attacking angle. And now when we discuss about this aircraft, we know that this aircraft is specialized in ground attack and especially with laser guided bombs, and it is effectively capable of doing short range air-to-air combat. Mirage 2000 with weight 7500 kg, total takeoff weight with 17,000 kg, and it have a maximum speed of 2.2 Mach. It can travel 1550 km with 3 drop tanks, and it have a flight height of nearly 60,000 feet, and its length is 14.36 where the wingspan is 9.13 meter and having a height of 5.20 meter. The Mirage 2000 works on Thomson CSF RDY radar. This RDY stands for Radar Doppler Multi-Target, and it works on Snecma M53 P2 turbofan engine, which provide 64 kN thrust dry and 95.1 kN with afterburner. And it having a advanced missile with AM39 Exocet missiles. It is an A2 surface missile guys, and Mika A2 air missile, which is a short range with effective range of 30 to 40 km and have a maximum range of 60 km. And it is also having Magic 2 missiles. It also air to air missile, and it can also launch guided missile, which generally its specialization, and it is also integrated with Spice 2000 kit. This Spice 2000 kit guide a unguided bomb, and its thrust to weight ratio is 0.7. It is low because it works on single engine. It has 9 hard points for carrying weapon system, payload, and having 5 fuseless and 2 on each wing, so total 9, and it having a retractable probe for air refueling, and the aircraft can carry 4 Mika missiles, 2 Magic missiles and 3 drop tanks simultaneously. It is also armed with internally mounted high firing rate of 30 mm gun. It having a fly-by-wire flight control system. It is probably the first Indian aircraft which was inducted into Air Force having fly-by-wire technology. The aircraft installed within an internally installed self-protection suit with integrated countermeasure systems. Now, when we discuss about this whole Mirage 2000, we must know that it also played a very decisive role in Kargil war. This Mirage 2000 squadron flew 500 out of 199 jet fighter sorties during the Operation Vijay, and you know that these aircraft had launched laser guided bombs and were dropped the whole Kargil, and also it played a game changing as this Mirage was involved in 8 of them, and it have carried out at least 240 strike missions, dropping over 55,000 kg of ordnance. And as it shows that it have a capability on the high altitude region, and it have hitting the Mutho Dhalo, Tiger Hills, 0.4388 in the Dras sector. Apart from that, guys, you know that it also had played a very decisive, very crucial role, and especially bombing Balakot in the airstrike which was conducted by the Indian Air Force for the retaliation of the Pulwama attack. The Spice 2000 kit was used to guide an unguided bomb, and with precision target it was hit on pin to point in the target. And this target was, you can see in the Balakot, before 2018 and after 2018. So guys, if you like the video, please hit the bell icon as well as like it, share it with your friends, and thank you so much for watching this video.